Hello everybody, this is Daniel from the Go-To family. So today we have another hotel review for you guys. This is going to be for the Wyndham Lake Buena Vista here in Orlando, Florida. Now what's cool about this hotel, guys, is that it's right next to Disney Springs. So if you guys want to check out Disney Springs, you want to stay next to it, this is a good spot to come and check out. All right, so let's get the tour started, guys. I'm sitting right in front of the hotel. We're gonna walk in and we're gonna give you guys a tour of the place. Let's go. The Wyndham Lake Buena Vista is an off-property resort, but an official Walt Disney World hotel. That means you get extra benefits like being across the street to Disney Springs and free shuttle transportation to and from the Walt Disney World theme parks. The rooms are modern and some even provide views of Disney. All right, guys, so this is where you get let off here if you're coming by car, which I believe you will be. So you get let off right here. You're greeted by, a bellboy, someone that is going to help you with your luggage. And this is what it looks like once you walk in. So of course you have your hand sanitizer right there. And it's nice and big and spacious, guys. Wow, it looks really nice. As you walk in, it looks very, very nice. Just a nice kind of classic decor, very clean. And you can see they have a big screen TV over there. They're playing the Euros right now because it's still the Euro Cup. You can probably sit there in the night, maybe have some drinks. I'm not sure yet. They have some more seating space right here. More TVs. So this is the lobby, guys. This is kind of what it looks like. You have more couches here. Nice kind of modern decor, modern style. And this is where you're gonna come and check in right here. Right there is where you come and check in. So, looks very nice, guys. I think we're gonna enjoy this place. And you have guest services over here. So you have sundial right here. 24/7, and it definitely looks like you can get some snacks, you can get some drinks, perhaps even some coffee. I see they have a coffee maker right there. So you could they have some wine, they have some water right here. And right here you can buy some sandwiches. That right there is a roast beef and cheddar.
Hello. You meet us.
Hello.
I just got a great idea. You can play on my iPod this morning.
And you can also get some Monster energy drinks. I'm not a fan of energy drinks, but if that's your cup of tea, you can find some right here. They also have some snacks. They have some bananas.
Candy, chocolate.
And some oranges. Right there. And they do have, this is the area where you could get some coffee here. You could get some cold coffee. All right, guys, so I'm just about to go to the Lakeview Restaurant. So here we go. So this is on the mezzanine floor. So it's like the first floor, I guess, of the hotel. So here you're gonna see they're gonna have a bunch of different rooms. I think these are all closed right now. So we have the Horizons Ballroom. We have the Solar Room. So you can plan some events here and you can host them right here. Hello. All right, guys, so this is the Lakeview Restaurant. And so you can come here and get your breakfast. Now, they are closed at the moment, so we're not gonna get to see the food, but you can come here. They're open from early in the morning until 11. Hello. Good, so you see they're kind of packing up, so we're just a little late for the food. But you can come here and you guys are open from 7 till 11? Yes. Yes, so they're open from 7 until 11. And you can see this is what it looks like inside. They have breakfast, they have You know, you can get cereal over here as well. They can make you waffles, and I assume pancakes as well. Very nice and spacious. So, there you can see what it looks like, and right here, you can see that it overlooks the pool. Guys, so we're gonna give you guys a tour of the room, a brief tour of the room. Here we go, let's do it. What I like about this room is I also like the views, guys. So just behind me, you actually get to see Disney Springs. Disney Springs is really, really close. It's actually right over there. You walk through that road over there, you go around like that, and then you just go through that overpass, and then you're in Disney Springs. It's basically the closest hotel to Disney Springs, so you can't get much closer than that. We love Disney Springs. We love going to Disney Springs, so perfect for us. You don't have to take a cab. You can just, it takes 5 minutes by foot to get there. And you can see some of the other Disney, you know, like I guess highlights in the area or main attraction. So you will see in the distance, I'm not sure if we can see it here, but you will see the Hollywood Tower of Terror a little bit in the background there. And there is also, I believe, the Swan Hotel as well that you could see, and you could see the Epcot ball in the distance as well. So you can see a bunch of things from here. So you can see that you're not very far from anything. All right, guys, so this is the bathroom right here. Just a normal bathroom, guys. You got the nice mirror here. And this is the shower. So you can also take a bath, and that is the shower. Right, so you're gonna have some storage space in here. We are storing some clothes and some stuff that need to go. You're gonna have more storage space over here. This is gonna have plenty of storage space in here for your electronics. For your electronics as well. And you also have a safe. And that's basically it, guys. So that's it for the room. It's cozy. It's not super gigantic, but it's nice and cozy. And what I do like about it the most is, these beds are nice and comfortable. All right, guys, and we're just gonna walk here. This is on the lobby floor. So we can see here, they have some Star Wars right here to greet you. Let's see what going this way is going to bring. So you can see here that you have a little area right here. It's a bit of a sitting area, perhaps. I'm not exactly sure. It's not much right now, but definitely the Walt Disney theming. You could see it all around. And right here, you could see a fitness room. And of course, they are playing the game. So if you need to exercise, you can come in the fitness room right here. Mainly treadmills, at least in this room. Oh, you have some weights in the back over there. So I want you guys to check out this pool right here. And you can see on their lawn, just check this out, guys. It's a Mickey shape on their lawn right here. Oh, let's go this way. So this is the pool, guys. Now, we shot some footage at the pool, guys, and so we're gonna roll that footage right now. I love this pool right here, and I'm gonna show you exactly why. Here comes the footage, guys. All right, guys, so we're at the pool. Oh, they have a really cool pool here, guys. The kids are loving this. Vista restaurant right there where we ate, and we're still walking. And look, I really like this resort, and it's not very expensive to come and stay here. The pool is quite nice. You also have two types of rooms, so you can stay here. This is by the garden. You can stay in one of these rooms here. I believe it is cheaper to stay in one of these rooms, or you could stay in one of those rooms up there. You have more of a view of the entire premises, also of Disney Springs, as well as Epcot, and you can see the surrounding Orlando from up there a little better, of course. And here, we're just gonna keep on walking. So definitely, as you can see, if you're staying here by the garden, you will definitely have an easier time getting to the pool. The pool is nice. A lot of people come here and stay at the pool quite a bit because it's really nice and enjoyable. The drinks are really, really good. The food is pretty good as well. And the pool overall is just a very nice, pleasant experience. Of course, if you want to come here and stay, you want to take a break, during those days when you're not going to Disney Springs or Disney or Universal. Some people come here and go to Universal as well. So you can basically go to all of the theme parks that you want to by staying here. So right now I'm walking in the parking lot, guys, and I'm just gonna head on back up. If you have a car, I assume that this is where you park. If you have a car, you park somewhere around here. You can see it's really big and spacious. It's a huge, huge parking lot. This is the entrance, guys, once again. And this is our rental car now. You want to tell us a few things about this hotel to end?
One of the biggest things I loved about this hotel is actually being close to Disney Springs. I mean, if you're big on Disney Springs, I love to have dinner every night at Disney Springs, go shopping at the World of Disney. It's a great location. Honestly, you couldn't get a better location unless you were actually sleeping in Disney Springs, which is not possible the last time I looked. So it has great service to the parks and so on. I honestly couldn't think of a better hotel that's off property than the Wyndham here at all.
Also very affordable.
And it's affordable, well, exactly. So I honestly, I can't think of a better place if you want to save some money and like have all the benefits of staying at a Disney resort. It's completely amazing. Like, I'm not just saying that, it's amazing.
So as Robin told you, those are the plus points of staying here. Awesome place. So this is gonna do it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions about this hotel in particular, don't be shy to write us in the comments or write us an email. We'll gladly answer any and all questions that you might have. All right, guys, this is gonna do it for us for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Please hit that subscribe button for more content from the GoTo family from here in Florida and from around the world. We'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.